The PiNetwork reached a significant milestone on February 20th, 2025. This date will be remembered as a turning point in the journey of PiNetwork. The open Mainnet launched at 8 a.m. UTC, marking the dawn of a new era for the platform. This marked a pivotal moment for the platform as it opened up new avenues for growth and innovation. It transitioned from an enclosed ecosystem to an open network, bridging gaps and fostering new connections. Now Pi can connect with other blockchains, enhancing its utility and reach. This opens up a world of possibilities for interoperability and collaboration, enabling users to explore new opportunities. The open mainnet launch is a testament to the dedication of the PiNetwork team, who have worked tirelessly to bring this vision to life. It also reflects the strong support from the Pi community, whose enthusiasm and commitment have been instrumental. This achievement has been years in the making, with numerous milestones along the way. It represents a crucial step towards PiNetwork's goal of creating a more inclusive and accessible digital economy where everyone can participate. The open mainnet launch allows Pi to demonstrate its capabilities on a larger scale, showcasing its potential to the world. The launch has generated significant excitement within the cryptocurrency community, sparking discussions and debates. Many are eager to see how the PiNetwork will evolve, anticipating new features and developments. Observers are particularly interested in the platform's potential to drive real-world adoption, transforming everyday transactions. The open mainnet launch is just the beginning for PiNetwork, heralding a future filled with promise. It marks the start of a new chapter filled with both opportunities and challenges, as the network continues to grow and evolve. The team behind PiNetwork has emphasized their commitment to ongoing development, ensuring the platform remains cutting edge. They are focused on improving the platform's functionality and user experience, taking user feedback into account. The open mainnet launch is a major step forward, opening new doors for innovation and growth. It paves the way for PiNetwork to become a major player in the evolving landscape of digital currencies, setting the stage for future advancements. The launch of the open mainnet brought another significant development for the PiNetwork. This milestone was eagerly anticipated by the Pi community and marked a new chapter in its journey. Pi is now officially trading on cryptocurrency exchanges. Platforms like OKX, Gate.io, BitGet, and CoinDCX listed Pi, allowing users to buy and sell the cryptocurrency for the first time. This listing is a significant step forward, providing Pi with greater visibility and accessibility in the crypto market. This marked Pi's entry into the broader cryptocurrency market. It provided an avenue for price discovery and trading activity. Traders and investors now have the opportunity to engage with Pi in a more dynamic and fluid environment. On its first day of trading, February 20th, 2025, PiNetwork saw significant trading volume. It reached $841,264,969 within 24 hours. This impressive volume indicates a strong initial interest and confidence in Pi's potential. The price experienced volatility, with a high of $1.97 and a low of 83.64 cents. Such fluctuations are common in the early stages of trading as the market seeks to establish a stable price point. This price fluctuation is not unusual for a newly listed cryptocurrency. It reflects the market's attempt to determine a fair value for Pi. Investors are closely monitoring these movements to gauge the market sentiment and potential future trends. The listing of Pi on exchanges is a critical step towards its broader adoption. It provides liquidity for Pi holders and allows more people to participate in the PiNetwork ecosystem. This increased participation could drive further innovation and development within the network. However, it's important to remember that cryptocurrency markets are inherently volatile. The price of Pi, like any other cryptocurrency, is subject to market sentiment, news, and overall market trends. Investors should be prepared for potential ups and downs. Investors and enthusiasts are closely watching the price of Pi. They are eager to see how the cryptocurrency will perform in the long term. The community's engagement and the network's developments will play a crucial role in shaping Pi's future. The initial trading activity suggests strong interest in PiNetwork. However, only time will tell how the price will stabilize and how Pi will position itself within the competitive cryptocurrency market. The journey ahead is filled with possibilities and challenges, and the Pi community is ready to navigate this exciting new phase. The open mainnet launch and exchange listings were not isolated achievements. They were the culmination of years of development and several significant milestones for PiNetwork. The platform has consistently focused on building a strong foundation for its ecosystem. This involved achieving key targets to ensure a smooth transition to the open mainnet. One crucial milestone was surpassing 19 million KYC verifications. KYC is a standard procedure in the financial world. It's used to verify the identity of users and prevent fraudulent activities. Exceeding the initial target of 15 million KYC verifications demonstrates the strong and growing community behind PiNetwork. Another significant achievement was the successful migration of over 10.14 million users to the Mainnet. This migration process was essential for users to access their Pi coins on the open mainnet and participate in the new ecosystem. It signifies the community's commitment to PiNetwork's vision. Furthermore, PiNetwork boasts a burgeoning ecosystem with over 100 mainnet applications already developed. This vibrant ecosystem of apps showcases the platform's potential to support a wide range of use cases, from social networking to financial services. These milestones highlight PiNetwork's commitment to building a robust and thriving ecosystem. The journey of PiNetwork began on March 14, 2019, with a simple yet ambitious goal: to make cryptocurrency mining accessible to everyone. The founders envisioned a world where anyone with a smartphone could participate in the cryptocurrency revolution. The platform introduced a novel approach to mining, leveraging the Stellar Consensus Protocol to enable smartphone mining. This protocol was chosen for its efficiency and security, ensuring that users could mine Pi coins without compromising their device's performance. This innovative method allowed users to mine Pi coins using their mobile devices without draining battery life or requiring specialized hardware. It democratized access to cryptocurrency, making it possible for people from all walks of life to join the network. In December 2021, PiNetwork entered the enclosed Mainnet phase, a crucial step towards decentralization. This phase was designed to test the network's capabilities and ensure its robustness before opening it to the wider public. This phase allowed for internal transactions and the development of the Pi ecosystem within a controlled environment. It provided a sandbox for developers to create and refine applications that would later be used on the open network. To ensure the long-term sustainability of the network, PiNetwork introduced a new mining rewards formula in March 2022. This formula was designed to incentivize participation while maintaining a balanced distribution of coins. This formula, based on a declining exponential model, aimed to balance coin distribution and reward early adopters. It ensured that those who joined the network early were recognized for their contributions while keeping the system fair for new users. To accelerate progress toward the open network, PiNetwork implemented a grace period on July 1, 2024. This period was crucial for ramping up development efforts and ensuring that all necessary components were in place for a smooth transition. This period focused on intensifying development efforts and encouraging KYC verifications. KYC, or Know Your Customer, processes were essential to verify the identities of users and maintain the network's integrity. Throughout 2024, the platform also extended KYC deadlines to accommodate the growing user base and ensure a fair opportunity for participation. This extension was vital in allowing more users to complete their verifications and join the network. This journey, marked by innovation, community engagement, and strategic planning, culminated in the successful launch of the Open Mainnet in February 2025. This milestone marked the beginning of a new era for PiNetwork, opening up endless possibilities for its global community. Alright, let's dive into the often unpredictable world of price volatility and what the future might hold for the PiNetwork. First off, it's essential to understand that price fluctuations are a natural part of any cryptocurrency's life cycle. They can be influenced by a myriad of factors, ranging from market sentiment to global economic conditions. Now, you might be wondering, what does this mean for the future potential of the PiNetwork? Well, it's crucial to remember that the PiNetwork is still in its early stages. As adoption grows and more people utilize the network, the potential for stability and growth increases. In conclusion, navigating price volatility requires patience and a long-term vision. The future of the PiNetwork holds promise, but like any journey, it will have its ups and downs. Stay informed, stay patient, and keep an eye on the bigger picture. As the PiNetwork continues to grow, regulatory considerations become increasingly important. Ensuring compliance with global standards is key to sustainable development. By adhering to regulations, PiNetwork aims to build a trustworthy and transparent ecosystem for all its users. PiNetwork has expanded its reach to millions of users across the globe. This diverse community is a testament to the universal appeal and potential of Pi. By connecting people from different cultures and backgrounds, PiNetwork is fostering a truly global economy where everyone can participate. Security is a top priority for the PiNetwork. The team has implemented robust measures to protect user data and transactions. By continuously improving security protocols, PiNetwork aims to provide a safe and reliable platform for its community. As we look to the future, PiNetwork is poised to enter a new chapter of innovation and growth. The team is dedicated to enhancing the platform and exploring new possibilities. With the continued support of its global community, the future of PiNetwork looks brighter than ever.